All right, Molly's gonna clean with the netted dishcloth. She just made some bread.
Yes, it's cooking in the oven right there. And I'm going to clean up this flour with Norwex.
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
It's called netted dishcloth because it's for dishes and it's like in a net type of form, except it's colorful. And then, well, Mom showed me where the Envirocloths were. And then she told me that it picks up all of the dirtiness, and it just grabs onto it like it's a little hook.
Oh, okay.
That's what I said.
What do you think you're going to polish the surface with?
This one?
That's the one!
For real?
The purple polishing cloth.
Oh, that was just a guess. Okay, I'm using the net thing.
The netted dishcloth?
Yeah, the netted dishcloth.
Good. Get the edges and the sides.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa,
Look at that collecting. So, fifth part, I don't know, but, so my mom sprayed some of this into the bowl.
One drop.
Just one small drop, but it probably goes out fast. And then she just put a little bit of water, and then we're gonna just scrub.
Yep.
Here we go.
Yep, we're just cleaning off anything else that might be left behind. We got all with the netted dishcloth.
And I did better than I thought I did.